Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. So to do this, it's very simple. First of all, open your WhatsApp. For example, I will block this contact. Let's block him. And here you have two solutions. The first one, to unblock him, you can click on unblock on like the bottom of the conversation, as you can see, the green one. Or you can go and click on the three dots, and after that go click on settings, and after that go and click on privacy and scroll down a little bit until you find contacts. And as you can see, the first one is blocked contacts. And when you open this list, you will see the blocked contacts. I just click on the name of the blocked contact and click on unblock. And as you can see, I unblocked this contact. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.